So now I'm going to sand the headstock. I am going to give you your password. Password is going to be Spiral. Spiral is your password for the spiral sander that I'm using, which is this one right here that you've seen before. You notice I've got that clamped down. Clamping things down makes life easier all the time. And again, as we did in the last video, I'm going to change the grits on my sandpaper. I'm going to start off with the 80 grit. I don't think I need to start off with the 60 grit today. I'm going to sand this by machine. This is going to really get the shaping a little bit. And if you see, that really shaped it up a lot. It looks a lot better. I also want to mention that there is a no-go zone, which is right here. I came real close to it. This is a smaller headstock than the ones that you guys are having. So I really wanted this rounded in shape, so I kind of did go a little closer than usually advised. I'm probably going to put a little emblem right here, so I left that open to put the emblem on. And we use a CNC machine for that. But now I'm going to go through and do the rest of my grits. I'm not going to have you watch that. Just going to take some time there. But the shape is now all here, and that's what's important. All right. So, Spiral.